upside down, twisting beside myself. Stop that now, 'cause you and I were never meant to meet. I think you'd better leave, it's not safe in here. I feel a weakness coming on. Alright then, I could keep your number for a rainy day. That's when it's said, no mistakes, no misbehaving. Oh, I was doing so well, could we just be friends? I feel a weakness coming on. It's not meant to be like this, not what I planned at all. I don't want to feel